Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing good. Today's tutorial is all about a digital painting. So for this I am using the Procreate app, and the subject I am going to do is a plane with moon. The view look like a frog view, the view from ground to up. So for this draw the subject and look at my drawing. What I'm trying to do, I didn't draw the whole subject, I draw the half of my subject, then copy it and paste it into another layer and flip it to horizontally. So my drawing is complete. And make sure that there is no hole of this drawing, otherwise if you drag the color on the subject it will cover the whole area. In this drawing technique, you must apply the few rules like that. If you are going to draw a straight line, it's not look like a straight because it's a tablet, not a regular pen or paper, right? So for this, drag the line and hold it for few seconds. It's look like so straight. Or if you are going to draw a circle, so just drag it and hold it for few seconds, it's look like a proper circle. So there is a few technique, and for this layer just remember, for every drawing or every portion use another layer like a Photoshop. So you can customize every layer, like you can change the color, you can change the opacity, and whatever you want to do with your layer you can do it. But one thing you must remember, that use different layer for different drawing. And there is a lots of example in my this drawing. You can see the shadow of plane just using different layer, and copy it and paste it to another layer and drag it and flip it. So it's so easy. In this layer option you can find called N, just drag on it and there you can find a different option on it. So opacity is contained on this layer, and the disc contain lots of color. So choose your own color. I'm choosing my own color. It's a gray, yellow ochre, red and white. I will give you the color code on the video description. You can see I'm applying the same technique what I already told you. Just drawing one part, color it and copy it and going to paste it to another layer. If you think your drawing is complete, so march them down. In digital painting, especially in Procreate, you have lots of advantages, like if you want to select the same color, just tap on it and the color automatically select on the color disc and you can apply it easily. And for selection bar, select it and you can customize it, you can wrap it, you can minimize it. Lots of things you can do. For moon, I am using the Smudge tool, the industrial heavy metal effect. So when you are going to like an sketch, it will give you a different texture. There is a lots of option, you can choose your own. See, I'm dragging the color, the background is changing because I did every portion of my drawing in different layer. Like the background in different, the sun is different layer, the plane is different layer, you know. For the smoke, I used the cotton brush, so it look like so real. After applying the background color, I am using the airbrush tool, so it's look like so good and even. There is lots of pre-brushes in Procreate. This is another brush, like lots of leaf branches. I just select it and make a composition like that. We are seeing the view through the tree, and it's look like so fantastic. So for this you must think. The app is ready to give you the good result, but you must think about the subject. You must think what you are going to do. You must think about the composition. Lots of people do their work like a little stuff, like a big, like so realistic work in Procreate. So it doesn't matter, you can do it easily. Just remember one thing, you must apply it, you must do it. If you can't do big things, try to do the small subject, like try to draw a apple with shadow, try to draw a boat with river, the sun, the cloud, the little things. Then you will understand about every layer, about color disc, about smudge tool, about eraser, everything. There is another technique you must remember. Most of people do their work on Procreate, but it look like so blur when you zoom in, because they didn't select their canvas in inch, they select their canvas size in pixel. That's why it's look like blurry. So when you select your canvas, so make sure that it's going to be on inches and the resolution should be 300 to 400. So after finish your work, it will give you the good result. So that's all. See you soon with my next tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.